Man, now that the sun is up, you can see the mountains clear. It is beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited for this trip. We are heading to this really cool bridge. It's about a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna get going. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning here, and hopefully, my hope is that we catch the sunrise by the time we get to the bridge, so let's see. Kim, hey, Ice. Look. Look. Good girl, hi. Okay, so we made it to the bridge. It is 7 o'clock, and according to my phone, sunrise isn't until 7:43, I think. Yeah, like 7:30-ish. So we have 30 minutes to kind of sit and wait. The skies are getting to that, you know, lighter bluish color, so sunrise might happen sooner. Hey Kim, how cool is this bridge? Huh? So, we came from that way. And despite how my truck is parked, we're gonna head that way. That helps. So the sun isn't fully up, so that's why the lighting in here is terrible, and I apologize. But we just crossed over the bridge. It's ominous to say, but we are further now, or going further into the forest road. And let me tell you, if I can find some camp spots or evidence that people camp here, I'm definitely gonna be coming back, because this is a cool area. So, I keep seeing private property signs, and I don't know if it means just the property that's like on this, because they're like on this side, so I don't know if it means like just the property that abuts the road, or if it's actually this road as well. So I just saw people coming down this road in a van, and like, I think I caught it on my hood GoPro, but just like a normal van. Granted, this road isn't super rough, but it gets rougher, and I think, you know, it won't survive. Stay. Hey. Sit. Stay. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Okay. I mean, driving towards this is worth that 2-hour drive. This is incredible. Well, it would seem that we are not getting through this way either. So here's my favorite part of these trips is backing down. We're not really on the side of a mountain per se, but there is a steep drop off to one side. So I'm using my reverse camera right now, but yeah, we're gonna try to back out of here and find a spot to turn around and then head the other way. Okay, so we are heading down that first forest road that I thought was a private road. Turns out I believe it's just a normal forest road, that the property is private, like, you know, the land. But on Google Maps it's not showing up, but on my Apple Maps it is showing as a forest road. And I do believe that forest roads are public access roads, or whatever you want to call them. Every time I plan out a trip and, you know, think about where I'm going, and the night before I'm like, oh, I get so, I don't know if anxious is the right word, but, you know, I have those thoughts of doubt in my head, like, you know, what if this happens or this happens? But I always silence those and just say, what if that happens? As long as I'm alive, oh my God. Sorry, I'll show you in a minute. But as long as I'm alive, I'm happy. So I don't know about you, but this looks like it could be the perfect campground to me. Looking at my map here, and it looks like this is Brown Creek Campground, but there's more trails if I keep going down the way I was coming. And there's a horse camp. Oh, do not enter for that way. Okay, well, it looks like both of the camps are closed up here, as well as any progress. I'm sad to report that there are no horses at the horse camp, which is disappointing, but expected. So yeah, I think now is the time to turn around. So I think this is gonna end our journey out this way today. We got to see the bridge, which was the main purpose for me. And then we took some of those forest roads back through there, and I found some campsites. So I think overall it was a successful trip. Next week, I'm planning on going down to Bend, Oregon to go to the CVT manufacturer and fix my tent. And then we'll probably do a little adventure while we're down there. And then probably the following week, we will finally head out to one of these campgrounds and do some camping. You know, I'm hoping I can beat most of the regular people who like to camp in nice weather. I hope I can beat them out, you know, at least get a couple camps before it gets too crowded when things start to warm up. So we shall see. But thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm.